Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV. Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. Let's go, Team R4UL. What we're doing now is we are doing a Kia Carens 2015 Kia Carens headlight bulb. Absolutely 5 minutes job. Dead easy. You can do it outside your house. No problem whatsoever. Without further ado, let's go. Let's do it. Okay, so we go to this side here or that side. I mean, it's exactly the same on both sides. Take that off. Anti-clockwise, counterclockwise. Boom, there we go. That comes off. And the bulb, the headlight bulb, is just there. There we go. You can't really get it wrong. So what we'll do is, let's see if I can show you guys and do it at the time. We'll take that plug off. Okay. The next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take that clip off. See this clip here? Okay, we push it and then up, push and up. Move this wire out of the way so you guys can see it better. So see this clip here? Okay, what we're going to do is push that clip. This one here, I'll point out in the edit. Push that clip down and then up, and that clip comes off. Okay, as you can see there. I'll move it out of the way. Okay, clips out of the way, and then all we do is just get the bulb out. Ta-da! There we go, one bulb out. Alright, to fit it in reverse order, it's not rocket science whatsoever. You can see the cutout there. That goes on that part there. Yep, so let's get that in there. It's such a tight squeeze in there. I mean, to do the job, not hard whatsoever. To show you guys, that's the hardest bit. So my hand's in the way, and I'm sorry guys, but I can't show you. Okay, so the bulb is on there, as you can see there, bulb is on. All we do now is just get the clip, flick it over again. Okay, there's the clip, just focus. Right, and with your finger, just get it over there like that, as you can see there. Boom, over that little plate. Put the plug back on. Right, there we go, plug is back on. We'll put this cover back on. Same way we took it off. Well, that is it guys, that's how we replaced the headlight bulb on a Kia Carens 2015. Dead easy. I mean, I'm sorry I couldn't show you properly because I can't really get the camera in there and show you guys as well without taking the headlight out, you know, to show you properly. But yeah, that's that. I mean, you'll see it dead easy when you get to it. It's only one clip. Push it and then lift up, push and lift. That's it, clip comes off, take the plug off, happy days, that's it. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. We're trying our best, Raul TV. Team R4UL Nation out there, let's go. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. I just want to say thank you to everybody out there, okay, for supporting me so far in this journey, in this quest. Team R4UL, let's go. I will see you guys next time.